Okay, so in the previous video, I cooked one that was going to work. It was going to have nice integer numbers and everything was going to come out fine. But I want to get a little bit more advanced and just show that it just works no matter what. So 3x squared minus 7x. 3 plus 6y squared plus 4, let's make it 10y plus 18 equals 0. I just made those numbers up off the top of my head just now. And so everything's going to be really messy in this one, but that's okay. So this is more advanced, so this means messy numbers. Okay, so now I go 3x squared minus 7x plus blank plus 6y squared plus 10y plus blank equals negative 18 plus blank plus blank. Okay, so now I do 3 times x squared minus 7/3 x plus blank plus 6y squared plus 10/6y plus blank equals negative 18 plus 3 blank plus 6 blank. Okay, so then I'm going to go, that's 7/3 divided by 2 is 7/6. Squared is going to be 49 over 36. So then I got 49 over 36. And then here I've got, let's replace that by 5/3. And so I get 5/6, and so 5/6 is 25 over 36. So then I got 25 over 36 goes right there. And so now I've got to have 3 x squared, or x minus 7/6 squared plus 6 y plus 5 over 6 squared is equal to negative 18 plus 49/12 plus 25/6. Okay, and then hopefully that's going to work. I have a feeling we're going to run into some problems. Let's make that, instead of plus 18, I want that to be a positive number. If that's not a positive number, we run into problems. So let's make that plus 5. And so then that becomes negative 5. Because you can't just make any coefficient work. If that's not if this doesn't end up being a positive number, it's just not going to work. So I think 18 was a little bit too high. Okay, so now this is 3 times x minus 7 over 6 squared plus 6 times y plus 5/6 squared. And so this is going to be, that's 50/12. So we have 50/12 plus 49/12 minus, that's going to be 60/12. So that's going to be 99, so that's going to be 99 minus 60 is 39/12. Now I'm going to divide everything. Well, that's reducible, so that's 39/12. But we can take a 3 out of everything, and so we can make it 13/4. And so then I'm going to multiply everything by 4/13. So I'm going to get 12 over 13 x minus 7/6 squared plus 24 over 13 y plus 5 over 6 squared is equal to 1. And then I'm going to write it as x minus 7 over 6 squared over 13/12 plus y plus 5 over 6 squared over 13/24 equals 1. And so then my center is going to be 7/6, comma, negative 5/6. And my A is going to be the square root of 13/12. And my B is going to be the square root of 13/24. And I could graph that out, but I choose not to. So you could sort of figure out what that is as a decimal. Well, we might as well just graph it out. Okay, so 7/6, 7 divided by 6 is 1.17. So center 1.17, comma, negative 5/6, so 5 divided by 6, 0.833, 0.83, and then A is equal to square root of 13 divided by 12, which is 1.04, and B is equal to square root of 13 divided by 24, and so that's 0.736, 0.74. And so then, let's just do some graph paper here. I've got a center of, let's just do this real quick. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Call that 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2. And then here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, I forgot that's a negative right there. So my center is 1.17, which is going to be, there's 1.12, and negative 0.83. So there's going to be my center, so right around there. And then I'm going to go 1.04 in this direction, so basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right about somewhere in there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhere right around there-ish, and then I'm going to go 0.75 up in, so I'm going to go about Each of those is 0.2, so 0.6, 0.7, so somewhere right around there. And then 0.6, that's probably right about there, somewhere right around there. And so there's the ellipse, 3x squared minus 7x plus 6y squared plus 10y plus 5 equals 0. There's the graph of that, and you can check it out on your own graphing calculator program.